Very good afternoon, students. So today we are going to continue the same chapter, that is chapter 12, perimeter and area, and today we will do HOTS. So in this HOTS, let's see what's the question given here. Question is, draw four different rectangle on a square grid paper in such a way that they have the same perimeter, that is equals to 16 units. One is drawn for you. Also find their areas. So you can see here one is drawn for you. Here along the length there are 5 and opposites are equal. So there is also 5 centimeter. Here is also 5 units and here is also 5 units, and this side 3 units are here in this. So here written that you have to find out their areas also. So let us find out the area first of this given figure. So here we will do HOTS, area of the given figure. Area of the given figure we have to take out. So in this figure you can see that along the length there are number of squares. Along the length is 5 centimeter 5, and we also know that 5 each unit on this grid is 1 centimeter. So we will take it as 5 centimeter along the length, and we also know the formula, that is your length into breadth. Yes or no? This is your length and breadth is given here, that is 3 units are given. That means we will take here 3 centimeter. That is your breadth here. So it means that 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter. So total is 5 3s are 15 square centimeter. Okay, area of the given figure. Then let us take out the let us draw the another rectangle. This was the figure. There are 4 na. Now we will draw first one. So here it was 5 it has taken, and 3 this side. So we will make the rectangle whose we will make here 6 on the length, along the length 1 2 3 4 5 6 on the long side, length side. Here 6 centimeter we have taken, and this side we will take 6 will be 12. Yes or no? 6 plus 6 will be 12. And how much left for next? 16 minus, how many are left? 16 minus 12 if we will do, it will be 4. That means 2 we will take, 2 this side 2 and this side 2. Or else what we can, and one thing more we can do, that which we have done, if we are increasing this square this side, so we will decrease from here 1. Okay, so this is your 2 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter and 6 centimeters. So let us see what is the area of this given rectangle. So to find out, you will put here number 1. You will write number of squares along length is equals to 6 centimeter, or else you can write 6 only. Okay. Then you will write number of squares along breadth is equals to 2. So the total number of squares within the rectangle is equals to 6 into 2, that is equals to 12. 12. Thus the area of the square is equal, area of the rectangle is equals to, we know that each square is equals to 1 square centimeter, so 12 into 1 square centimeter, so this is equals to 12 square centimeter. Or else we can directly also write, that is the formula which we are always using, that is your length into breadth, that is 6 centimeter into 2 centimeter, that is equals to 12 square centimeter or 12 centimeter square. Okay, so here also you can see that here when you will add up this, the perimeter when you will get here, this is 6 plus 6, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 16 are there. Earlier also you have seen here in this also 16 were there, but we have got the area 15 square centimeter, but here the area we have got 12 square centimeter. So you see the difference. The perimeter may be remain same, but the area get different with the shape of the region, the shape of the covered region, that is the outer boundary. That means you can't say that if two plots are there and their perimeters is same, the area will be also same. Okay, so this thing, for this it has been given here. So one I had drawn for you. Another rectangle if you want to form, you can, what you can do, you can increase one more here along the length, increase or decrease also you can do. Okay, if I am increasing one more here till 7, and here also, here we have to decrease this side, the rectangle. So here it will be 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and this is your 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So the perimeter will be same here, 7, 7 are 14, 15 and 16. Okay, so again you have to take out the perimeter here, area here, and you know the if you want to write area, you can directly write L, length into breadth, that is equals to 7 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that is equals to 7 square centimeter. But the perimeter which you have got here, perimeter is equals to 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into length is your 7 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, that is equals to 2 into 8 centimeter, 16 centimeter. In this also when you will take out, the same is there. Okay, so perimeters remain same here in all this, but the again to form the different one you can do here, you know that square is also a perimeter here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 here this side and 4 this side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 this side. You people please use the scale along this. Okay, so this 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So again you have to find out the area of it. Okay, this is also one triangle, and one more triangle is there, you try to do by yourself. Okay students, now look at this, the objective moves. So the question given here, perimeter, take the correct option. Question is given, perimeter of a square of side 1 meter is. So what will be the perimeter of square whose side is 1 meter? So you know that a square has all side equal. So perimeter means, perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side. Yes or no? So 4 into side, but see all the options are given in centimeters. Okay, first of all you convert this 1 meter into centimeter, that means one side, where the one side of a square is given 1 meter, that means that side of one square is equals to 100 meter, 100 centimeter. As you know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 100, so the formula is here 4 into 100 centimeter. So see which option is correct in this option, given options. Then next, perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 6 centimeter and breadth is half of its length is. So here length is given 6 centimeter and breadth is given half of its length. That means you have to divide the length by 2 and then you find out the perimeter of rectangle, whose formula you know very well, that is 2, that is the twice of the sum of length and breadth. Okay, take out this one and find the answer of this. Then given side of a square having perimeter 100 centimeter, here perimeter is given and you have to take out the side of a square. That means you have to divide this by 4 to get the answer of this question. Now come to question number D. Length of the rectangle having perimeter, length of the rectangle having perimeter 128 centimeter and breadth 24 centimeter is. So you have to take out the length in it. So we have done this types of questions. You know that how to find out length. Length is equals to, so this you try to do by yourself. If you will be unable to do, then we will discuss in the tomorrow's Google Meet class. Now these statements are given here. Write T for true and statement, true statement, and F for false statement. A square of a side 10 centimeter has area 100 centimeters. So you know that square of a side given here, and area means you have to take out length into length. So here side into side, that is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter is equals to 100 square centimeters, not 100 centimeter. Okay, so the first statement is false here. So another 3 you try to do by yourself. If you will be unable to do, then we will discuss this in the tomorrow's Google Meet class. Okay students, all the best to you all. So do this HOTS in your graph notebook and this in the book itself. Objective moves in the book itself. Okay students, all the best to you all. Thank you.